Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix LG monitor no audio or no sound problem. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step to consider. See the user manual for the monitor or check the specifications to verify the monitor model has a built-in speakers. If the monitor has no built-in speakers, then there will be no sound. If it has a built-in speaker, first check the monitor sound settings by moving the joystick button below the monitor to the left or right. You can adjust the monitor sound volume. Then check the HDMI or DP cable condition. Check if the HDMI or DP cable is not connected to the monitor on PC and check if the cable port or cable itself is damaged. If the cable condition has a problem, then connect another cable to see if you hear the sound. In the third step, check if the sound settings of Windows is okay. Checking the sound in Windows 10. Click on the sound icon at the right bottom of background to launch the currently used player and the sound volume control slider. Then click the player to use to launch the select playback device list. In the select playback device list, select the monitor for use. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.